Let me show you how we can kick in Madden NFL 26. So, of course, when you perform a kick, you will have some information about the wind, which is located on the right side. You can use your left analog stick in order to choose the direction where you want to kick. You can also move it up and down as well, so remember about that. It's not only left and right. And of course, in this case, we have to aim at the middle of this bar that is showing at the bottom, that is visible at the bottom of the screen. In this case, we need to press A on Xbox or X on the PlayStation controller, and we need to aim into the middle. And of course, we need to hold the button in order to get as much power as possible. And we need to release before the red point that we have at the top. If we overshoot, then as you can see, it looks like this. So we cannot hold it for too long as well. So we try to get as much as possible, but at the same time, we don't want to overshoot. And right now, it seems that there is no information about the wind, but we can try to counter it when there's information about wind. We need to counter it with the left analog stick. So let's see how it looks like. And there we go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.